Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me. Today we have something very special. We are going to talk about the top 7 passive income ideas for 2025. How would you feel if I told you that you could actually make money even while you sleep? Now this isn't a dream, it's the magic of passive income. And guess what? In 2025, the opportunities are bigger than ever. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking to earn extra income, a student seeking part-time opportunities, or anyone looking to secure their financial future, these passive income ideas will help you generate wealth with minimal time and effort required. Stick till the end, because number 6 and number 7 can literally change your life completely. So grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to discover the secrets to creating multiple streams of passive income in 2025. Let us dive right in. Before we get started, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button. So thank you guys so much. Let's begin. No one, affiliate marketing. Imagine earning commissions by simply recommending products you love. It's the power of affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other companies' products or services and earn a percentage of the sale whenever someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. In the USA, online shopping is a way of life, and there's no shortage of affiliate programs to join. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact are some of the most popular platforms. On Amazon Associates alone, there are over 1 million products you can promote. The income potential is vast. Affiliates can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month or more, depending on the products you promote and the traffic you drive to them. Idea no. 2. YouTube automation or content creation. Now let's talk about YouTube automation or content creation. This involves creating and sharing video content on various topics such as personal finance, health and wellness, or technology. You don't have to show your face. You can use AI voiceovers and stock videos. Once upon a time, starting a YouTube channel was quite daunting, but thanks to AI tools, it's now easier than ever. The platform is incredibly popular with millions of users watching hundreds of millions of videos every day. Channels can monetize their content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The best part? YouTube automation is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. According to Markets and Markets, the global YouTube advertising market size is projected to reach $218 billion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 16.4%. Idea no. 3. Print-on-demand websites. Have you ever thought about designing t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and earning royalties without managing inventory? That's exactly what print-on-demand websites offer. These platforms allow you to upload your designs and set your prices, and they handle the printing and shipping when an order is placed. Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify are some of the leading print-on-demand websites. The United States is a perfect market for this business model due to its custom culture and high consumer spending. According to Statista, the global print-on-demand market size is expected to grow from $930 million in 2023 to $1.5 billion by 2027. Idea no. 4. Selling stock photos and videos. Are you a photographer or videographer with a passion for capturing stunning visuals? If so, you can turn your hobby into a passive income stream by selling your work on stock photo and video platforms. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pexels allow you to upload your content and earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. The demand for digital content is constantly rising, and this trend is expected to continue in 2025 and beyond. According to a report by Grandview Research, the global stock photography market size is projected to grow from $1.9 billion in 2023 to $2.7 billion by 2030. With a little creativity and effort, you can tap into this growing industry and start earning passive income today. No. 5. Blogging and Google AdSense. Blogging remains one of the most effective ways to generate passive income. By creating informative and engaging content, you can attract a large audience and monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. According to a recent survey by the Content Marketing Institute, nearly half of marketers worldwide plan to increase their blogging budgets in 2025. The best part, you don't need to be an expert writer to start a successful blog. With platforms like WordPress, You can easily create a professional-looking website in minutes. Some great blog niches include personal finance, technology, and travel. Number 6. Digital products. Another excellent way to earn passive income is by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and templates. Once you've created your product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without having to create any additional inventory. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy Digital make it easy to set up your store and start selling. According to a recent report by Statista, the global e-learning market size is expected to grow from $325 billion in 2023 to $452 billion by 2026. With so much demand for online learning, creating an online course can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. And finally, idea number 7, dividend stocks and ETFs. Last but certainly not least, dividend stocks and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs, are a fantastic way to earn passive income without having to actively manage your investments. Dividend stocks are shares of ownership in companies that pay a portion of their profits to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis. ETFs, on the other hand, are investment funds that hold a variety of stocks, bonds, or other assets, and provide investors with a way to diversify their portfolios while still earning dividends. In the United States, some of the most popular dividend ETFs include those that track the S&P 500, such as the SPDRs and P500 ETF and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. These ETFs provide investors with a low-cost, diversified way to gain exposure to the U.S. stock market and its top companies while still earning a steady stream of passive income. The benefit of investing in dividend stocks and ETFs is that once you've made the initial investment, you can sit back and collect the dividends without having to actively manage your portfolio. Dividend investing has historically been a great way to build wealth over time, and it remains a popular strategy among many successful investors. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of all 7 passive income ideas: affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, print-on-demand websites, selling stock photos and videos, blogging, digital products, and dividend stocks or ETFs. Which passive income idea are you most excited to try in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more money-making ideas. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy passive income hunting.